Okay.
Good. Down pepper, rogue, excavator, competitive RX division. Cool. £20 dumbbell. Scale 0. 20 pounds on the scale. 20-pound dumbbell. Body weight. Just in case.
Good call.
Zero. 223 even.
Okay.
That'll be good for moving a sandbag.
You will in the tie break. Now
Sandbag weights.
Yeah. Just set it on there.
I'm showing the zero for them.
Or scale breaks.
0.
That's a lot of weight.
150 even. Wow. That's accurate. Did you get it?
Yeah, I think so. Now I gotta show.
Do you want me to do it one more time in case you didn't get it? Close.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure did.
I'm only doing it once.
I don't want to be the one to screw that up.
0. Whole bag. 150.
Good. Okay, now I gotta go around the sandbag, and then we'll do dimensions of it.
Go around and I'll show the bottom.
Yep.
That's very impressive that that bag doesn't have more than
I know. I checked it yesterday. I was like, oh wow, I'm good.
Now we gotta measure.
Nothing there. Across the top. 15 and a half. Height.
Okay, and circumference.
I did not bring the right tape measure.
You gotta move your arm somehow. Okay.
This is the bottom too.
Okay.
What else is there?
Yeah, that's it. Now you
Alright.
just have to be.
Oh yeah, and I gotta show everything that I don't have on. Good.
Scoot this way a little.
Just thumb tape. Nothing else on. I'm gonna use the weightlifting belt. Normal chalk. I think that's it.
No tacky. That's everything, right? Dumbbells?
You actually want to turn it up? Okay.
Right now, and I need you in my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk. I'm high, but I'm both right now. Yeah, I'm both. Yeah, yeah, both.
Come on now.
Stay on it, let's go!
27. 28.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
29. One more. Time. Let's go. 130. That's what I thought. I think it's good.
You got really close to, your hand was out of the frame on the end.